Hi guys, I'm Alex. I'm here with my friend Pablo. First of all, thank you all for your support to make this project possible, and I hope this might be useful for you and hope you enjoy it.
Go alone now, calling your name. After losing at the game, you took me by surprise. I didn't realize that you were laughing. Time goes slowly, but carries on. And now the best years have come and gone. You took me by surprise. I didn't realize that you were laughing. Laughing, 'cause you did to me. Laughing, the way it should be. You took away everything I had. You put the hurt on me. Laughing, 'cause you did to me. Laughing, oh, what you doing to me? You took away everything I had. You put the hurt on me. Laughing,
Smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by if you smile. Through your fear and sorrow, smile, and maybe tomorrow you'll see the sun come shining through for you. Light up your face with gladness, hide every trace of sadness. Although a tear may be ever so near, that's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile.
Though your heart is aching, smile even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you get by.
If you smile through your fear and sorrow, smile, and maybe tomorrow you'll see the sun come shining through for you. Light up your face with gladness,
Smile,
hide every trace of sadness. Although a tear may be ever so near, that's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile.
you will find that life's worthwhile.
If you just smile.